making some sheets for D&D. A friend of mine asked for some custom sheets, so we're working on those, and once I'm done, I'll print them all. I will punch them to fit in a disc-bound notebook that I have for him, and I'll send that his way, along with probably just some regular pieces of paper, some blank paper, you know, let him have a lot of options depending on what he wants. Okay, see you later, Gigi. Thanks, Ross. Just reward yourself after each session. Exactly. Oh, 2 to 3 weeks. Nice. Chocolate or something. That sounds awesome. Speaking of a little snack, I wanted to show you all something I got. So this is just a glass jar I have from Sprinkles before. And I went to Walmart and they had holiday Santa hat sprinkle mix. So like holiday sprinkles for 75 cents. And that's super cheap. Yes, tacos. So I just wanted to pour them in this jar to make it a little more fun. So let's do that. And Gigi, let us know when you're back because I want to do the giveaway when you're here. So, I already opened up one to have a few sprinkles with a piece of cake for my brother's birthday. But let's see how I almost hold it like a really weird way. Okay, there we go. So fun, so creepy. Oh, I think it'll fit just about 2 of these containers. Awesome. But it's so much cuter in that little jar, and I don't want to get rid of it. I got the jar of sprinkles at a local market craft fair type thing. Right, Random Tinkerer? And yeah, they were overpriced, of course. But I wanted to support a small business, and I love sprinkles, and it brought me joy. And it's not like a regular purchase for me. So, I'm gonna keep using the jar I got. Come on, sprinkles, everybody fit? No, they're not all gonna fit, but that's okay. Most of it fits. Let me just make sure that I put the caps on everything. But yeah, just like a cute little something that brings me joy, you know? It's not necessary, but I like it. And it has, does it work? I thought it had Santa hats. Well, it has the little itty bitty ones in gold and silver. It has like a metallic white circle, a gold circle, regular like long red and white. And I thought I saw Santa hats, but I'm a little confused now. Right, Mr. Freaky? Oh, exactly, Roz. Oh no, whatever will I do? Oh yeah, it has little stockings. Oh no, I touched it. I shouldn't put it back. I love how it says Santa hat, but it's stockings. I don't see Santa hats. Maybe it's because the jar's Santa hat. Oh no. So I actually thought about that. Ooh, these are the red ones that taste real bad. Do you all remember like red icing and red coloring tasting real bad? And then my dad said, that's not a thing. We're gonna do like a taste test, and it was fine recently. So I wonder if the colorant changed, but these are the icky red. Exactly, Roz. So would anyone actually be interested in like cute kawaii sprinkle mixes? Because I thought about that once. It doesn't really fit into what I do, but I love sprinkles and I love making cute kawaii things, so I don't know. I thought it could be fun. But you all know me, I like to come up with a lot of ideas. I don't know, Sai, but it should be named after Teddy probably, right? Yum sprinkle. Okay, let's make sprinkles. I wonder if I could make them myself, like from scratch, or I could always just make my own mixes. Something to think about.